My name is Blessing.
Blessing.
Oka. So they come house, come arrest me, say I dey follow do one chance. So I now tell them say yes, I do one, but I don't stop her.
What did they follow do?
So they follow collect people money for road.
Okay.
So now I tell them say no be lie, I don't do one before, but I know they do one. Since last year I don't stop.
Okay, since last year
I don't stop. So now for house they come, they say I try, they track me. So now other people now then tell and say I dey do one. I say true I do one, but I don't stop. And I don't stop. True, I don't stop.
Moses, how are you?
Moses?
How are you?
Okay, what brought you here?
Yes, I joined Air Force 2018, so I was dismissed 2022. So, but I used the uniform I used to create video. I'm a video creator online. I do content. So, they brought me here yesterday. That's why should I wear this for video? That is my offense. Yes.
Thank you. Your name first.
My name is Emmanuel.
Emmanuel what?
Emmanuel Linus. Emmanuel Linus. I'm a soldier. I was dismissed 2022.
Yes.
So, this country now, small thing now, they will carry this thing come for person. You go train, you finish. Small thing, they will dismiss you. What thing they expect when you go to for house? Small thing. 2022. Yes.
How many years were you in the service?
Like 9 years. I'm 2012.
Okay. So,
Yes.
So what did you now do that brought you to the...
Nothing. I just wear the uniform in the night. Not
Why
even in the night.
dismissed?
Now Maiduguri issue. We there for inside bush now for so long. But then change all the no gree. So I find my way now. I come back. Nobody will let me be soldier for barracks now.
Okay, so you didn't commit any offense?
No, I don't do anything.
Okay.
Now just the uniform they see with me.
Okay,
And this
since,
one,
Since we are no longer serving, why did you put on
Why
the
did you put on the uniform?
that is the offense. That is my this thing now. Because the uniform the house, we are in Maiduguri. So now operation uniform now they use for there. Now desert ground with it. This one the house. As I come back, I come wear this one. In the morning, I go my guys side. Now I see police they come, say they invite me for station. From there they carry me go station. I no thief, I no do anything. Nothing I do.